Hey, Mark Hudson here with Maryland Real Estate Professionals, Remax Realty Plus. It's time for our Funday Monday winner drawing. I've got my lucky box. I've got everybody's name entered into the box. We had quite a few people that played with us this month, so everybody's got the correct answers entered in. Before we do the drawing, I wanted to remind you of a couple things. If you're going to list your house with Maryland Real Estate Professionals, we'll give you free drone footage, free pictures and video, and we'll create custom marketing videos for you to help you get the word out about your house for sale. And if you're looking to buy a house, don't forget about our free coming soon home search, where you can see houses before they even come on the market. So just click on one of the links below if you're interested in buying or selling your house. Remember, hundreds of Maryland home buyers and home sellers have trusted myself and the Maryland Real Estate Professional team with their most valuable negotiations, their homes. We look forward to earning your trust as well. So this month's question was, what flavor are the green gummy bears? What flavor are the green gummy bears? And all of you that answered strawberry, you're correct. So let's see who this month's winner is of the Amazon $25 gift card or the restaurant.com card. And it's going to be Steve Smith. Steve Smith. So Steve, just send me an email or give me a call. Let me know if you want the $25 Amazon gift card or the restaurant.com card. Watch for our next Funday Monday contest. The first email will go out April 1st, and it won't be a joke. It'll actually be the Funday Monday contest. You can also find the Funday Monday contest on my Facebook page. You can find it on our newsletter, and you can find it on our website. Be sure and play next month. See if you can win the $25 Amazon gift card or the $50 restaurant.com card. Akuma Matata. It means no worries for all your real estate days. You have a wonderful month, and please keep me in mind if you know of anybody looking to buy or sell real estate. Take care.